Jaime Montejo, ISE 2020, showcasing Atlas for Newline Interactive. What we have here is our new education solution, infrared screen with Android system embedded. What we try to do here is to give the best tool for teachers in education, where they can use whiteboarding, they can connect their own laptops, they can use their own files, they can go to the embedded OPS standard computer. They have lots of new applications they can install and use, or even they can project wirelessly straight to the computer. This whiteboard, you just click and collaborate. It's and it's fast. You have tools on the side so you can get access to everywhere, or just go straight to Windows and work on Windows. Everyone knows Windows, so it's very simple. It's one of the easiest screens of the world now to use. Everyone knows it. So if you want to know anything else, please go in newlineinteractive.com and you will get more information about it.